Before Sun Life, I was working hard to provide for my family, pero parang laging kulang. Pero when I started with Sun Life, it gave me more than just a job. It gave me opportunities. I am now a unit manager with Sun Life, but I still continue my career in the pharmaceutical industry and molecular industry as a district manager. So ngayon na medyo malaki na yung anak ko, ano na siya, 12 years old and mostly nasa school and meron na siyang ibang mga activities. That's why bumalik ako sa employment as a district manager. To be honest, nung una akong pumasok sa Sun Life, ang iniisip ko lang is income. Diba? Yun naman yung purpose as a solo parent. Pero eventually, habang tumatagal ako sa Sun Life, doon ko nakikita yung passion and purpose. Kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, na hindi ka lang basta nagbebenta, yun yung difference ng Sun Life sa ibang selling industry. Kasi sa ibang selling industry, after you turn over the unit or nabigay mo na yung kailangan nila, nabili na nila, naibigay na sa'yo yung payment, tapos na yung relationship mo with the client. But with Sun Life, hindi. Nasusubaybayan mo yung milestones ng clients mo. Why Sun Life? Nakita ko yung culture ng Sun Life. Maraming nag-alok sa akin na ibang company to become a financial advisor. Pero ang nakita ko is yung culture ng Sun Life, paano sila mag-alaga ng clients. Dito sa Sun Life, ang culture natin is madaling lapitan. Yun yung malaking tulong sa akin.